How to enable or disable capitalized words automatically in keyboard on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Keyboard. Here in Keyboard, okay, you can see here the text input section. In text input section, you can see the input source. And on the right side of this, you can see the edit button. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the edit button and the pop-up are show. Here in pop-up, you can see all input source. And you can see the capitalized words automatically. And the capitalized words automatically is enable. And if you want to disable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this capitalized word automatically and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disabled. And if you want to enable again, okay, you'll have to do is click edit button again and switch on the switch button on the right side to enable and click done button to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled capitalized words automatically in keyboard on MacBook Air.